Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Explorer hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle's cabin, typically on the driver's side, near the door or under the dashboard. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click, and the hood will pop up slightly, indicating it's unlatched. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary latch. Now move to the front of your Ford Explorer. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, directly above the grille area. You'll be feeling for a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly while driving. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to either push it up, pull it towards you, or slide it to the side, depending on your Explorer model. This action will fully disengage the hood's locking mechanism. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood completely open. It should move smoothly upwards, allowing full access to the engine bay. To keep the hood safely open while you work, find the prop rod. It's typically a metal rod attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Lift the hood a bit higher and insert the end of the prop rod into the designated slot or hole, usually marked with an arrow or a specific shape. Make sure the rod is firmly seated to prevent the hood from accidentally closing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.